Learning video for kids: orange, lemon, strawberry, pineapple, cherry, banana, watermelon, apple. Animal names: butterfly, monkey, bird, giraffe, honeybee, lion, hedgehog, kangaroo. Vehicle names: helicopter, train, aircraft, ship, motorcycle, carriage, bus, sedan. Stationery: rubber, color pencil, scissor, book, ruler, pencil sharpener, stapler, pencil. Next, sports: basketball, football, volleyball, tennis, rugby, baseball, table tennis, golf. Next, foods: meal, sushi, steamed stuffed bun, ice cream, donut, egg tarts, french fries, cake. Body parts: face, mouth, eyes, ear, tooth, nose, hand, foot. Next, family member names: grandpa, grandma, dad, mother, brother, sister, younger brother, younger sister.